Hey, it's Will with LV Performance. Today's short video, we're going to show you how to change the spark plugs on your EcoBoost Focus. This will be the same for the Focus ST and the Focus RS, and though the other car has nothing to do with it, it's actually similar to changing spark plugs in your Fiesta ST. So we'll show you the little step-by-step on how to do it on these. These ones are extremely simple. It only takes, a few hand tools and a few minutes of your time. Pop off your engine cover up here. Be careful, sometimes they stick on there and they can get brittle with age. You don't want to break the cover. So you have to remove these 4 8mm to release the coils. Your outer ones are stud ones, so they have the wiring loom that goes over them. 2 inners are just regular bolts. Okay, so you do need to remove this portion of the intake crossover. Just undo it here at this boot. It's 8mm on that clamp. I try to keep the video nice and short for you. Nothing wants to. That's nice. Alright, undo that clamp there. Be able to pull this up from there. Pull that off. Set it aside where it's nice and safe. Start with the number 1 coil back here. Gently pull up on it. There we go. No real need to unplug it. Just pull it off of there. This one is nice and dry. No oil or anything down in there, so that's good. Valve cover gasket is doing its job still. We'll want a nice long 3/8 extension. A nice 5/8 spark plug socket. Doesn't look too bad. We do have about 57,000 miles on them though. When you're running tuned, it's better to change your plug a little early. We do have our new plugs here. They're NGK iridiums. Our customer supplied, and we gapped them to what the customer wanted them to be at, which is at 26 thousandths. Make sure you put a nice little bit of anti-seize on there. All the way down. Our next one up. Anti-seize. Our 2 center ones, take the bolts. 2 outer ones, take the studs. Alright, all 4 of our coils are tightened back down. Wire holders back over there. And the intake crossover. Back on over this. Take hose back on. Take off our 8mm clamp. Get it good and snug. Our 8mm bolt back in for that crossover. Standard screwdriver, or this is a 7mm socket on this one. These ones are different for the aftermarket Montoon intake hose. The cover just pops back on. Just line up your grommets. Alright, go ahead and start it and make sure you don't have any issues or any misfires. Alright, so that's really everything that you need to do to change the spark plugs in your EcoBoost Focus ST or RS. And like I said, very similar for the Fiesta as well. So if there's anything in this video that we didn't cover, or any questions you have about your car, or if you're doing a tune-up on yours, anything to look for, we usually run NGK plugs, and just about any of the ones we do have really good luck with them, never had any issues. Anyways, go ahead and drop a comment in there if we can help you out. We'd love to. Thanks for watching.